6 best chair exercises to burn belly fat and side fat. Exercise 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a powerful core exercise that primarily targets your abs while also engaging your shoulders and legs. The elevated surface reduces wrist pressure and increases core stability. To perform, place your hands on the edge of a sturdy chair, keep your body in a straight line, and drive your knees toward your chest one at a time in a running motion. Keep your core tight and move with control for best results. Exercise 2. Cross-body mountain climbers. Cross-body mountain climbers are a powerful core exercise that mainly targets the obliques and lower abs. Start in a plank position with hands on a sturdy chair. Drive your knees across your body toward the opposite elbow, alternating sides quickly. Keep your core tight and hips low. This move burns calories, sculpts the waistline, and improves coordination while strengthening your entire core. Exercise 3. Elevated plank jack. This is a dynamic core exercise that mainly targets the abs, especially the lower abdominals and obliques. It also engages the shoulders, chest, and legs. The jumping motion boosts heart rate, burning fat while sculpting your core. To perform, place your hands on a stable surface, keep your body straight in plank position, and jump your feet out and in like a jumping jack. Maintain a tight core throughout. Exercise 4. Elevated Spider-Man plank. Elevated Spider-Man plank is a powerful core exercise that mainly targets the abs and obliques while also strengthening the shoulders and improving hip mobility. By placing your hands on a chair or bench, it becomes easier on the wrists and lower back, making it beginner-friendly. To perform, hold a plank with your hands on a stable surface and bring one knee toward the same side elbow, alternating sides. Keep your body straight and core tight for maximum results. Exercise 5. Jumping lunges. Jumping lunges are powerful exercises that mainly target your obliques, lower abs, and deep core muscles. The side-to-side motion challenges your stability and strengthens your abdominal muscles with every jump. Holding the chair helps with balance, making it beginner-friendly. Hold the chair corners, jump laterally into a lunge, keep your core tight, and land softly. This is a great exercise to tone your abs while also improving coordination and endurance. Exercise 6. Jumping in and out. In and out jumps are an explosive full-body movement that mainly targets your lower abs, glutes, and quads while also engaging your entire core for stability. This high-intensity exercise boosts your heart rate, improves coordination, and burns calories fast. To perform it, stand facing the chair, jump your feet out wide while touching the chair with both hands, then jump them back in and repeat quickly. It's a great way to tone your abs, improve balance, and increase overall endurance.